Hello, leitlun mun tini sin rak thlir tu le mirang tong azir du tu pol nan zaten him huni sin kalau muak le sal tu mi kan zirding mi expression number 7 to I slept in ti acha phang ve ki kam von siar sile I slept in ti kam von siar pe sile I slept in ti I slept in ti zia chu thin nangam ten ti don harding ziang khanei lo ten khai zinga a ka tho tlai panga sile na ton ka tlai ding ti ding khal jiang man na nei lo ti alam tla na pe lo ka thang tik ka thang ding tio I mu khop te ni I mi kha I slept in ting kan kau mo chim nga ka Sunday hi zau cheu na kan tuan lowi kan off day tla si tlang pi ruanga Sunday a chun tlai pi tiang tla kan it thei ti I mu khop ten kan it thei tio kan zalen ni sirong ati kami kha mirang tong in na ban sim du sile timna ka I like Sundays because I can sleep in ti khatin tla man thei mo Sunday chu kan ol ni sirong a tlai pi tiang ka it thei ti chan si pe chu ti a si lo le on Sundays I usually sleep until 10 a.m. ti chun tui ni kha na narak tuan kan von ti ke tio sun vu ten na tuan na bang tuk thai jing chu tlai pi tiang ki it ding ti I mu khop ten ki it ding ti na von sim du si le I'm so tired today ti tomorrow I will sleep in ti anga thau thau mo khamita himi expression hi man nak ding tampi omi atang kai to ki nan rak thiam teng atul mo okay ale ngi kan bia kok na ka jiang tin kan phang ding example kan rak ngai ta ding You look refreshed. Yes, I slept in. I woke up at 10. I wish I could. I've got kids. That's why I'll never marry. You look refreshed. Yes, I slept in. I woke up at 10. I wish I could. I've got kids. That's why I'll never marry. Did you sleep in this morning? What about yesterday? Ti, okay. Ambia kok na kha ve ni thum phong kan ngai bet sal ding I. Next lesson na kan tongo sal ding Bye bye. You look refreshed. Yes, I slept in. I woke up at 10. I wish I could. I've got kids. That's why I'll never marry. You look refreshed. Yes, I slept in. I woke up at 10. I wish I could. I've got kids. That's why I'll never marry.